Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing another foundation tutorial for you guys. This is by Flower. This is EE for Erase Everything, okay? This is a full coverage foundation by Flower, which is the brand that Drew Barrymore helped create. So I thought I would try this foundation out, do a wear test all day long, and tell you whether this is worth the money or not. I got the color UF3, Ivory Tint. Might be a little bit white for me, but from the bottle, it actually looked like my color. So this is the interesting thing. It's an actual brush, okay? These are not my favorite type of applicators, so I do have a damp beauty blender right here. I'm gonna apply it with this brush, and then, you know what? Let's see if the brush actually works. So I'm gonna cover half of my face and tell you guys whether or not this actually covers, if this works with that was a bunch of air that came out of it, and more air. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this on this again. So I hate this squeeze and put. Okay, there we go. We got some coming out. Oh, that's weird. You want, look guys, let me just get you super close. This is weird. This is super weird. It's like it's, can you see that? It's almost like it's cake batter on my face. Okay, let's just see if the cake batter, I mean, this looks, when I tell you it looks super weird, it looks like powder drying down in chunks on my beauty blender. I'm a little fearful about this applicator. Let's just see if I can get some of it out from here on my hand and then use it this way, because this brush is just horrible. Wow, can you guys like see this? When I tell you like super, look at, this is some thick stuff. I'd rather apply it this way. Super weird, guys, like super weird. Let me zoom you guys in. Okay, so I have the primer all over my face. This primer is my go-to primer. It works with everything. But it's almost like it pulled it off my skin with this foundation. If you see, like, my pores are accentuated right here, which is not a good thing because they were filled in with this primer. It just, the way that it looks, I mean, look, it like, I don't ever remember having like big pores right here, and it makes it look like I have big pores right there. You see the dots, dot, dot, dot. Can you guys see the lines and how it starts to chunk? Okay, so when I move it, it actually starts to chunk up. Look at that. You can see it starts like chunking up. And for it being wet right out of the bottle, look at, let me put some more. Like, it is just the most weirdest, look, it did it right there too, weirdest type of foundation. I'm not going to do any check-ins, guys. I'm actually going to remove this. It feels like it has like a mineral oil in it or something. I mean, it's just so weird. Flower Erase Everything is probably my second choice of worst foundations ever. I would not get this. I would not recommend this for anyone. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. I'm sorry, guys, but like, you can just tell from the get-go whether it's a fail or not fail. If you were debating on getting it, I would just say no, skip over it, go to the next one, don't get it. Get the Revlon Photo Ready or the Almay TLC. Those are two of my holy grail foundations. I will post those down below because those are actually fantastic, fantastic foundations. But this, no, no, no. And considering that it even said ivory, I'm not an ivory. It shouldn't say ivory. It matches my skin tone. I'm definitely not an ivory. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go wash my face now, get all this crap off my face. Excuse the language. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button down there and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.